Hey YouTube, welcome to another video. So today I will be changing out a desk. Right now I have a very small desk. Last Sunday me and my boyfriend Hugo went to IKEA and he got me a new desk, so shout out to my man. I didn't even introduce myself. Hi, I'm Emily if you're new here, and I post weekly. Sorry if I'm looking tired and stuff. I just had a long day at work and now I have to build an IKEA desk and I have no clue how long that's gonna take me. It is currently 8:30 p.m. My desk is so messy right now, but this is it. I've had this desk for about, I would say 6 years. I think I got it in 2019, I believe. Very limited spacing. Oh my god. Also, look at this new pencil case I got. Isn't it so cute? That's my dog's bed, by the way, but this is my room right now. I'm just trying to find, like, can it focus? But yeah, this is the room right now. I'm still trying to see how I want to decorate. Yes, there's 2 mirrors. I want to note that I live in New York City, so my room is just, it's so small. So yeah, I have my bed. I have this little kind of, this is like a shelving unit from IKEA. It just keeps all my hats and little chargers and stuff. I also want to hang that soon. But yeah, it's just really tiny and just not a lot of space for anything. So I got a longer desk to go here. But my thing is, I am not sure if I want to have it here in this type of corner or if I want to have it in this side and put my dresser where my desk is now. I bought a clear table cover for my desk, so we're gonna unbox that. I'm just gonna make sure this is the right size. Okay, let's see. Okay, it doesn't say the size. Oh, okay. Okay, this ain't working out. I have to do it on the floor. Leo, you scared me. Leo's like, what is this? Leo, can you back up, please? Can you back up? Oh my gosh, I'm scared of cutting him. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Leo, you're covering them. They can't see. Oh. He just wants to, like, sit and lay down right here. My good boy. Good boy. Oh, sorry. You know what I think that Leo does? He gets so jealous whenever I pay attention to other things. Like he's never like this alone. Like, it's only when I'm doing stuff. Leo, can I show them what's in this package? Can I show them? Yeah, I know, he needs a haircut. He looks like a wolf right now. We have our little instructions. Honestly though, this looks so easy. But look, it says I need a second person. I can't do it by myself. Bruh. So that's unfortunate. Ooh. I think this is just the top cover. Yeah, this is just the top. Okay. This is like building a Lego, so it should be easy. Why don't these have labels? I don't understand. Okay, y'all, we made it. We made it to the 3rd step. Like these 2 holes in the bottom, we're just gonna put them in the same thing. Okay. A basic rule when building furniture, just from learning with my dad, is like never screw in it 100%. I know stuff. Go ahead. Oh my god. You're building this side. You're building this in here. Next, oh my gosh, I'm on the last page. Okay. I need a little snack. It's currently 9 p.m. so I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna have a little Oikos Pro strawberry banana yogurt drink. I'm trying to stick with snacks that are high in protein, low in carbs. This is 140, which is pretty good. Okay, taste test. This is the strawberry and banana flavor. This is what it's looking like. We're gonna put the stand on top of the table. Alright guys, I'm done now. So I'm gonna try lifting it up. It's very heavy because it's made out of metal. Oh! Ooh. It's so big and spacious. Wow, is that table gonna fit here actually? Guys, my dad helped me put this table here. And yep, we moved my closet all the way down there where the old one was. It's so much perfect. Wait. I have this little thingy right here.
Open all this. That's true.
What? Oh, I'm getting rid of that.
Yeah,
What do you mean? All the stuff inside it?
Yeah, I
garbage?
want to be minimal. I'm only gonna select like 5 items and that's it. This layout so much better. I now have like a wall here that I'm gonna kind of decorate. I'm gonna go ahead and just sweep my floor and clean up. Hey guys, so this is my desk, kind of with everything on it. This is all my everyday makeup that I use, except for like this mini bag that I have in my purse that I take with me. But other than that, this is all the makeup that I use. I wanted to keep it super like minimal and just not too much. And in this corner, this is like my stationery kind of corner, so I like to journal and plan and read and stuff. So I have this little storage thing that I keep in here full of like mini little stickers for my planner. I have my pocket planner here, just always on deck to use. And then I have my pencil cases, highlighters and stuff, and markers. So this one's from Muji, and then this one from Sunny Angel. I'm trying to journal frequently. It's one of my new like hobbies, so I love this one from Stylogy. This is my 365 truths. This is kind of like a little mini Bible. You kind of read a page every day and it's just like sharing a message. So it's really cute, and I like to like highlight what kind of speaks out to me. So yeah, if you're seeking something like this, I highly recommend this book. I think it's pretty easy to like read. Yeah guys, that was my little desk tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to give an updated tour when I add some decoration to the wall. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.